at this snowstorm in April. What the hell? Woo! Alright, let's start this video again. I started filming, then I realized I was completely zoomed in on my nose, so the whole video was just my nose talking. Anyways, what's up guys? How's it going? As you can see, winter's back in full force. It has been a snowstorm all morning, and of course the second attempt I tried filming this, it stopped snowing. Well, it's still snowing a little bit, but the first time you literally couldn't even see the houses over there in the tracks. So anyways, this is what's going on. Not a whole lot today. I had a lot more planned, but since it's so freaking windy outside, I don't think there's gonna be much to do. I better make sure I'm zoomed all the way out again so I'm not completely zoomed in on my nose. The sled is still here. Someone come buy it. I've had a ton of interest on Kijiji, but it's just a bunch of kids that I think just want to talk to me. So they're like, hey, I'm interested in the sled. And they just start talking about random stuff. And then it ends up with a 20-minute conversation. That's like, hey, can I come riding? I'm like, well, I'm trying to sell a sled, not invite people to come riding. So it is windy out. The tree is just going at it. I'm sure there's going to be lots of trees down today. I think the hydro went out last night. Yeah, we had this wicked storm come through. It was raining like so bad last night. There was actually a weather advisory statement. And we're like, that's minor. They told us we were going to have like the storm of the century like 20 times this winter, and then we didn't. Anyways, and then of course it dropped below freezing and it started snowing. So it has been snowing since early this morning. Nothing is really accumulated. As you can see, the lawn's pretty bare. There's a little tiny bit over there, and then, you know, as you can see down the track and river there, the river's flooded again. Let me show you the river. She was down to normal, actually. She was below normal, like summer normal, and then of course it rained last night, and it is flooded again. Oh, it is too windy out here. You go back inside, because I'm sure you guys love wind noise. Can you even hear that? Like, how loud that is? It's nuts. Apparently the turbo blew on the Kia. I don't know if it blew or if it just quit working. There's no oil under it, but yeah, so that thing is turbocharged. It's fast as hell, but apparently she pops. So my dad's like, I'm heading to Colorado. I need a ride to the airport, so I'm gonna give him a ride to the airport later. The turbos on the Ford, they still run good. Apparently the Kia is 4,000 kilometers over the maintenance, so probably the reason why it quit working. But anyways, for today, since I can't really do much since it's so windy out, that any video I do film outside will just be a bunch of muffled wind noise, I figured I'd take the quad out for a little spin down by the river, show you guys how much the river is flowing and so on. I gotta run to the gas station, get some gas for this, because I don't put too much gas in this because there is a little gas leak on it. For some reason the KTMs, the one bolt that goes into the gas tank, or that holds the plastics on, punctures through the gas tank. So it does have a super slow leak, so I usually only fill it up like a quarter or half the way. So if you ever see me run out of gas, that's why, because I never fill it up. But yeah, so let's run over, get some gas, fill her halfway up. We'll go for a little buzz down the river. I'll show you guys what's going on, and then we'll wrap it up. And hopefully we can line some cars up this week, because I was supposed to take out a Lamborghini tomorrow, but by the way the weather is looking, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. But you never know. I've seen weirder things happen in Canada. So, all right, let's roll. Haven't blown the turbo on the old Ford yet. Look at that boost gauge. Hey? Look at the snow. Screw this. I thought I was the only one that bought premium. Guess we're running regular today. So $1.22 per liter. I'm pretty sure that's like $4.60 or $4.80 per gallon for all the Americans out there. She's not cheap, that's for sure. I feel the little icicles on the hairs of my tire. So windy outside. Windy and crappy, and drives me nuts. I'm so unmotivated to do anything right now, but gotta do something. Gotta make some videos for you guys, because I can't be posting no videos. I'm almost at my 1 year, 365 video streak. Actually, I think it'll be like 380 video streak, but I think around April 20th is when I started last year, and almost a year straight. So put a little race juice in her, go for a little scoot. Hopefully she starts. Probably put too much in it, it's probably gonna leak now, but that's just the price you pay. All right, let's see if the weapon starts. I really don't want to go outside. All I'm wearing is a sweater, so I'm probably gonna be cold as per usual. Get that in there. Turn the choke on, key. A little bit of gas. Oh yeah. Runs like a top, boys. Like a top. Roll her out. Junk weather out here. Crappy. And it's stalled. Just my luck. Can we fire it back up? There we go. Oh my god. I don't even want to be out here right now. Whew. Oh well. Whatever. I enjoy making videos for you guys, so. Look at the snow. Oh, we got the pond. Too bad Amber's not here to drive through it again. Sorry, Amber. See if we can wheelie this bad boy. Gas I put in it. Oh, there's a goose. I think I pissed off that goose. It is windy down here, oh my god. The rig has gone way back up again. Maybe I'll skip the sled tomorrow or something, we'll see. It is so freaking cold out here. I decided to do a quick video for you guys. Just throw a sweater on and come down here. Drive the quad for a little bit. She's not running too good right now, but I just put normal gas in. I didn't put premium, so maybe that's it. Or maybe because I didn't let it warm up. Or maybe the choke's still on. I don't know. I don't really care either, so. Anyways, yeah. That's what I'm dealing with today. Hope you guys are having a better day than this, that's for sure. Whew. Oh well, I love it. I mean, I don't love this weather, but I love making videos for you guys, so hopefully the weather is a little better tomorrow. We can get out, maybe rip that car up. I'd like to jump that car soon, but if it keeps raining, then the jump's super muddy, right? And then I can't really jump it, but we'll do some burnouts, maybe light out fires, so. Look at that goose, he's pissed. Alright, I'm freezing, let's get back up to the house. Look at this water. Rapid City. it's too cold to be outside. I don't know why I'm even out here. Oh well, good times. Let's go visit Toby for a bit. So I just realized why I was running it like crap. I left the choke on. I thought I turned it off, but my hands are numb, so I don't know what the hell I was pushing, but it definitely wasn't the choke. Oh well. That's why I was running like crap, so if you guys are wondering. All right, I'm gonna go visit Toby real quick and then we'll wrap this video up for today. Toby. Hey, bud. What are you doing? Hey. You staying inside? Oh, you're a good boy. You're smarter than me, aren't you? Yeah. Staying inside in a warm office all day. I feel sorry for anyone who works construction or works outside today because it is freezing cold. Hey, Tobes, you want to do Toby Tuesday? Toby Tuesday a little early? What is my favorite kind of food? Dog food! You're funny. Funny dog. Funny Toby. Ooh, you're nice and warm. I'm gonna warm up my hands on you. No? Okay. Okay, bye. This is what most people should be doing today. Just sleeping, hanging out. It's funny because these cats have their names on their offices here, and they go in the same one every day. It's like they know. It's like you know. Hey, buddy. Beautiful weather outside. No sun today, but that's okay. 'Cause I'm freezing my butt off on this wonderful day. Alright, time to wrap the video up. I still think it's hilarious how the turbo went out on the Kia. Thank you guys for watching as always. Sorry it wasn't more crazy interesting. I wanted to get something done today because, you know, we got lots going on the next few days. So hopefully we can get another car soon. Other than that, yeah, I'm excited for the next couple of weeks. We're going to get these collaborations done and then really kick it off for summer 2018. I am excited, guys. I want to get another side-by-side too, especially for next winter, because, you know, a winter without a side-by-side kind of sucks because it's not like you can snowmobile all winter because our winters kind of just look like this. A little bit of snow and mostly just slushy and cold and crappy. So I hope you guys had a fantastic day, a fantastic week. I hope you're out doing amazing things with some even more amazing people. And just, you know, out there and being positive and crushing it. So thank you guys again. Make sure you subscribe if you're a new viewer. Leave a comment. Check out the links below. There's lots of discounts for you guys. You guys are amazing. Have the best day. We'll see you later.